Hello friends, today I will show you how to make a wind generator from a motor from a children's car. With these wind turbines I will charge the battery of the power bank and the phone. We need a USB converter to connect it to the motor and on the other hand a standard USB output. This voltage converter operates from 1 volt at the output. We will get 5 volts. Take a screwdriver and connect it to the motor. Measure the voltage at the output. The voltage on the motor is more than 4 volts. This is enough for us to operate the converter. Now we will measure what current the motor produces. Connect a tester to measure the current. Current was 150 milliamps. Take a lithium battery. Insert it into the case. Connected the stabilizer. Now let's take a measurement. Voltage was more than 5 volts. The charge indicator lights up. The generator generates voltage. The battery begins to charge. Connected the converter to the motor and connected the battery of the power bank via the USB connector. We make wind on wind turbine 6 milliseconds. Wind generator generates electricity and charges the battery. Now we will connect the lantern to the wind generator. When the wind strong, lantern burns very brightly. Thank you friends for watching the video to the end. Subscribe to the channel. Bye bye everyone.